The Martin Luther King birthday is the slogan, the saying that I've seen for it is that MLK birthday holiday is a day on, not a day off. Well, we have actually 4 days of events around the Reston Dr. Martin Luther King birthday celebration. We started on Saturday, the 18th, January 18th, with community service projects at Southgate Community Center, and we did service projects throughout the building. At 4 o'clock, over at the Reston Community Center, Hunters Woods, there's a concert by the Reston Community Orchestra. On Sunday, January 19th, we have the art reception that is for the art from Reston Elementary Schools. We have a commemorative march that begins at Lake Ann Plaza at 3 p.m. so that, particularly for the younger folks, so that they can understand what it is we're doing and why the marches were so important to the civil rights movement. Al Fadi Academy will be delivering a wonderful performance of Dr. King's I Have a Dream speech. The Reston Martin Luther King Christian Church will be doing a program called the Voices of Inspiration, and that will take place inside the Northern Virginia Hebrew congregation. Sunday night at 8 o'clock, we have a performance by Sweet Honey in the Rock. And then on Monday, which is actually Martin Luther King holiday, we have a sing-along that's going to be led by Sweet Honey in the Rock. It's bringing the message of the civil rights movement, the history of the civil rights movement to those students, not just teaching the history, but also trying to show the children, the students, the young adults, where we are, where we came from, and where we need to be going to in trying to live up to the goals that Dr. King gave his life for, really.